Oh, whoa, boy, do I got something to sell to tell you. Now, we all got one of these, right? We all got a wallet. If you don't have a wallet, is everything okay at home? We usually keep a lot of things we don't need in here. Spent gift cards, hotel room keys, receipts from the clinic you took your girl to, cause I'm not sure I can say that. But you get what I'm saying. Things we do not need. Unless it's a tax write-off, which I highly doubt. I've had this wallet for about 5 years, and this thing has seen everything. It's run its course. Look how busted. It looks like me. If your wallet looks like you need to change something. You know what I mean? And surgery is getting really expensive out here in these streets, so you might as well change this. You know what I mean? Baby steps. Baby steps. Now, what I have to present to you guys is none other. You know what I mean? Something that's redefining what a wallet is. That's right! Bam! Look at that.
Titanium!
I am living my best life in 2020. Just look how sleek this thing is. 2 metal plates bound together by a durable elastic band. You can just never go wrong with titanium. Just look how beautiful that is. So beautiful. And if titanium isn't your thing, don't even stress, they got you covered. They have carbon fiber and many other aluminum color options. And this black tab you see is none other than your money clip. You can store your money right in that bad boy. Look at that, watch it. Bing, bing. Your money ain't going nowhere in this. There's no way a dollar can slip out of your wallet no more. I ain't gonna say it no more. You no longer need this, so you can just toss that right into the fire. And if you didn't know, this bad boy has 30,000 5-star reviews. That's a lot. And there's also a lifetime warranty if you love it, and free returns if you don't. And lo and behold, the best part. Yup, you can get 10% off and free worldwide shipping. All you have to do is go to the link that's on the screen. Link is also down in the description box. That's all I had to tell you. Now let's get on with the video. Day 2 of quarantining, and what we're going to do today, well, we're going to finally fix this right here. So we're going to sand this lip down to where like it doesn't flake up anymore. We're going to paint over it. This can come out. I'll probably paint that too. Yeah, I'll probably just sand this whole thing, paint it. Bumper's coming off too. Ugh. But the most you actually see is the lip. So we're going to get that fixed today. And I know what you're probably thinking. Yo, Zosh, bro. What are you gonna use to fix that? Well, I got just the answer. Boo! Yes, sir. Perfect match, baby. Look at that. Ooh, focus. Let's get it. Let's get it. Yeah, you see that satin silver metallic. That's the paint coat on the RSX. And also I got that perfect match clear coat, but I might return this and get the 2K clear because I was recommended by that. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I also got some sandpaper of all sorts to get that thing all nice and crispy. So I got to take this back, and I don't even know if I think I threw away the receipt, so I probably can't return this. And so I might have to use it, which would suck, but hey bro, whatever. And if you notice, inside the Integra, there is no cluster. Yep, that's right. I sold my JDM ITR cluster because, well, it's time for a new setup, bro. It's time for a new setup. So the Integra is officially off the road. And speaking of cluster, we have to go buy an LS cluster so I can ship that off to Wireware. So he can do his thug dizzle with that bad boy. I didn't want to use my ITR cluster because, well, it's an ITR cluster. I'd rather sell it. And luckily for me, it went to a subscriber. So it's always going to be around. That's always going to be around. Well, the subscriber lives far. Like, well, he lives in Georgia, but still, it's all good. Shout out to my dude Ozzy. Now, what I'm fenced to do right now is go to the junkyard and go pick up a cluster. So let's head to the junkyard, see if we can find an LS cluster. The homie said there was one on the lot. So, well, let's go. Stop it.
Shit, that give me more. That and alcoholics. There was no.
Have a 30-minute drive to this junkyard for an Integra cluster. I called to make sure they had it. They have it, and they're only charging 20 bucks for it. So that's a deal in my books for a cluster that I'm gonna have cut up and whatever the case Wireware has to do, but road to having a new dash. Well, Florida is on lockdown, something like that. Stay-at-home order is hella advised, but as you guys can see, nobody's staying home. You know what I mean? Now, when the government decides that they want to make y'all stay home by throwing a damn hurricane at us, should have listened, bro. I guarantee we're not gonna have a hurricane this year. Just like last year, we're not gonna have one. Because why? Too much pandemic going on. Government gonna use the damn heart machines to funnel away that weather. I probably sound crazy to people. Oh well. Right, we are here. Never been to the junkyard before, but it looks promising. We got 2 Integras on the yard. Let's go. Well, they already had it out for your boy. Well, they didn't have it out. I guess they tried to get, some people tried to get, I don't know. That's all I need though. Yes, sir. Mission accomplished. Ooh, she's so beautiful. You're getting fixed today. This is getting fixed today. Still beautiful though. What's up, y'all? How y'all doing? Hello. All right, got my cluster. Now we're on the way home. Well, I gotta go by this. I gotta wait for Wireware to text me back the shipping address so I can send this thing to. And after that, boy, woo! Road to having a digital dash. Yeah, it sounds kind of cool. Even the AutoZone had to pick up some primer, so now we can tackle the RSX, baby. Nah, I mean we finna tackle this John today. Nah, I mean, hey, the RSX moving. Let's see that big movie, y'all. Jeez. That big moving. Back home. Now we got 1 screw here, 1 screw on the other side. It's a Phillips. I should have the Phillips from the junkyard still in this bad. There we go, girl. Hold it on. Boom. All right, so let's just, instead of taking off the whole bumper and doing everything, we'll just get our screwdriver and doink it out right there, baby. Okay, so I tried to go the route of loosening just the lip, keep the bumper on the car, take off the lip, do it the right way. But when this car got repainted, they painted with the lip on. So if I take this off, all this stuff is gonna just, see how like, it's like bonded together somehow. Like, I don't know, it's like bonded by paint. So, oh, hey, see that? Ooh, I might gotta, I might just touch that with some paint, sand that, I don't know. I'm not going for no show quality job here. I just want this to have paint on it. So what I'm gonna do, start off with my sandpaper. I got the primer in the car, but we're gonna start with sandpaper. I'm gonna go start off with the 320. I think that's all I need is the 320. I wish I got 600, but I didn't. Maybe I need 400. I don't know what I'm doing. So if you wanna do this, make sure you follow an actual video that knows what they're doing. Me, I'm just gonna send it. That's just what I'm known for, because, well, it might not look good, but it'll be painting. That's all. That's all I'm in the business for, baby. You know what I mean? I ain't no goddamn body vision, bro. I don't know how to do all that, bro. You know what I mean? I probably should take body vision. Probably. I don't know. We'll see. Let's just start prepping this thing. Okay, here is a update. This only has 1 pass of clear. You guys probably really can't even see that. Oh, yeah, you guys really can't see it. But, well, other than that, this is what came in the mail today. Yes. So now I can do some touch-up stuff on the Integra with my little touch-up paint pen, I mean. And that's the paint code of the Integra, because everybody asks, what's the paint code? It's G82P. Cypress Green Pearl. OEM Honda color, baby. But, yeah, man, I wish you guys can see how I mean, I guess it's not too bad. I mean, you guys really can't see, but it don't look too bad. I mean, the main flaw is like right there where it's like chipping up and stuff. But I couldn't get it to like be like that. But that's not bad for like, what, half a clear? Oh, and I forgot to tell you guys, I bought this off of eBay. So we got one to fix here. There's one there. Where's the other one? There's a couple on the side skirts. Well, there's one definitely there that I don't like. That got to be fixed. And I have a couple on the side skirt area. There's one there I'm gonna fix. For the front bumper, there's one there. I'm really worried about the lip, but I'll probably tackle up the lip too. I don't really care about the lip. That's just all. Man, where's the one? Oh, and right here on the side skirt. So I'm gonna tap those up because I don't like how that looks. But yeah, pretty simple. All you have to do to use this, this your clear coat side right here, and this is the paint side. You want to shake it up. I'm gonna actually use the brush. You just screw this top piece. That's not even my strong hand. All right, so here we go. So right here, the brush is right in there. You guys can see the brush right there. We're gonna use that brush to tackle up everything. I gotta clean the surface, so what I'm gonna do is use this waterless wash stuff right here, along with this right here. Eat a couple of these and go in the toilet. No, I'm just playing. Some time has went by. This is, well, this actually is above it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but that's where the old one was. It's like blue, but that's what it is. Better than having that white thing there. It's not noticeable unless you look at it. For the front, that's still drying. Touch it up there. Touch it up there, if you guys can see. Touch it up on like all these little spots that you guys will see. But my most proud thing is that now that's taken care of. You guys can see it like right there. You guys can see like the clear paint, but that's taken care of. And yeah, and I actually accidentally wasted like most of it on the floor, man. Pretty sad. Look at that, dog. But other than that, it is what it is, bruh. It is what it is. The Integra is taken care of. Yep. Doesn't match at all. This is so trash, bro. Oh my god. I mean, at least it's not black. This looks so stupid. Oh my god. But it is what it is. Now, to keep this video in continuation, I need to actually tap the bolt right, well, that hole right there. Wait, there, you guys see it. I gotta tap that hole so I can have, so I can bolt down my seatbelt. So in order to do that, we gonna need this right here, baby. Know what I mean? We gonna need this John right here. That drill right on here. Let me get that drill, baby. Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah, my tap set is on the ground over there, so let's just get this bad boy tapped and ready to roll, son. Ready to roll. Well, don't mind the ice. Ice, yeah. But I can't find the bolts that I bought from Ace Hardware. Like, I guess the only thing I can do is just tap it, and then I'll just have to make a run to Ace Hardware tomorrow to pick up a bolt, and we should be good. So the least I can do is just get it tapped and ready, and unless I can find those screws around here, but I don't know. Ice, yeah. Today is technically day 3 of the quarantine. I fixed my seatbelt. That's pretty much it. I didn't really do much today, so I didn't film today. I didn't do nothing. I filmed my promo video, the video you seen at the earlier. So I guess I'm just gonna end it here and then bring you guys the daily upload tomorrow about whatever I do tomorrow. I don't know what it is. I'm just gonna rock out with these daily videos. If you don't like them, I don't care. If you like them, then awesome. It is what it is. Huge thank you to Ridge for sponsoring this video. Ooh, thank you, baby. That's how I got that digital dashie. And please be sure to check out Ridge Wallets, man, if you're interested. I'll be sure to see you guys tomorrow with another one. And comment down below what kind of videos you want to see from me. Thank you. And I can't make cooking videos, okay? They're blacklisted. I can't make cooking videos. If I make them, I won't get paid. You know what I mean? I need to get paid. So I can give money away and buy parts and buy a Russian wife or something. I don't know. So that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Thank you guys enjoyed. If you did, like a video, subscribe. If you know, I'm out. Peace.